Yesterday, when I came to the pump house to clean my filters, I saw something unexpected. A colony of wasps or hornets took over my pump house and built a nest just above my geyser. The real danger is, even I don't step here often, I still have to come here for regular pump maintenance and changing the gas bottles. And nature is testing me. I can't avoid coming here forever. I need to access to the pump house. The nature has moved in. Okay, here is the situation. I've got some bees in my pump house. I don't know how to get rid of them. First of all, I don't know what kind of they are, but they are very big. They are like as big as my thumb. They might be a wasp or hornet, either of them, but I don't know the difference. Before I do anything, I'm going to search for the problem, and then I'm gonna make my decision. Killing them is my last option. I need to maybe remove them safely from the pump house. I got stung by them a few times before, and it really hurts. Nothing compared to honeybees. Honeybees, when they sting you, I'm not allergic to it. You go like, okay, and then within a minute, the pain goes away. But those ones, when they sting, they don't sting you, they literally stab you. So I have to find a way of incorporating them or removing them. I think that the removing is the best option, but killing is the very, very last option. So I thought about it. I'm in the middle of the forest. There is no professional services around me. Best thing that comes to my mind is ChatGPT. Tell me, wise ChatGPT. Let's ask some questions. What is the difference between hornet and wasp? All hornets are a type of wasp. Not all wasps are hornets. Wasps are broader category. Wasps are smaller, 1 to 2 centimeters, slim and narrow waist. These ones in the pump house, they were bigger. Hornets are larger, up to 5 centimeters, which is like my thumb, more robust and broad-headed. Coloring, wasps are bright yellow and black stripes. Hornets are darker, often brown, red, or black, with some yellow-white markings. Behavior vary by species. Many, like yellow jackets, scavenge food and can become a nuisance. Hornets more predatory, hunt other insects. Aggression, wasps can be aggressive, especially near their nests. Hornets generally more aggressive and territorial. In the pump house, territorial. They defend their nests fiercely. Wasps' painful sting, but venom is smaller. Hornets deliver more venom per sting, making it more painful and sometimes dangerous. The next question, let's ask them how to remove hornets. It looks like we defined it. It is hornet, not a wasp. How to remove hornets from a location. Removal options, professional pest control, we don't have. Spray insecticide, yes, but it's the last option. Smoke method, old-fashioned, gentle smoke near the nest can drive them away. We are in the Mediterranean, everywhere is pine trees. Smoke requires some fire. I cannot afford that risk. It's too risky. Relocation, rarely possible. Convincing a queen to move voluntarily is not realistic. We are cooked. How many hornets in a hive? Mature colony, late summer. We are in late summer. Typically 200 to 700 hornets in a nest. Oh, winter. Only a few queens survive, the rest of the colony dies off. Is this a hornet? This is a hornet. How many times a hornet can sting you? Let's ask them. A hornet can sting you multiple times. Unlike bees, their stinger is smooth and doesn't get stuck in your skin. This means a hornet can sting over and over again without dying. If several hornets attack together, the venom adds up quickly. This can cause serious reactions, especially if you are allergic. But they can kill me. If disturbed, the colony becomes extremely aggressive, making it dangerous to even try. Honeybees can survive throughout the winter. What they do, they go back to their nests and they start sleeping, and a few of them starts working and producing heat for the colony to survive. Let's see. What happens in winter? Hornets don't survive winter the way bees do. Workers and males all die off when the cold sets in. The nest itself is never reused. Springtime, only these mated queens survive winter. Each one starts a brand new colony in spring by building a small nest and laying the first eggs. So the whole colony doesn't survive. Only a new queens live through the winter. Every spring is a fresh start. So this nest is only once off. Hornet nests are never reused. Why? The old nest is made of paper-like material. In autumn, the workers and drones die, and the founding queen also dies. Only the new queens hibernate elsewhere. In spring, surviving queens build completely new nests from scratch, usually in a different location. So once the nest is abandoned, it stays empty. You can safely remove it in late autumn, winter without risk. Okay, so when in autumn, all die. Late autumn, which is, we are in the northern hemisphere, October and November. As nights get colder and food structures run out, workers and drones start dying off. First frost, consistent cold. Okay, do I need to access my pump house at the moment? I don't think so. I've just cleaned the filters when those hornets were flying all around me. I try to keep calm because one of the general rules of living in the wilderness is that you don't show any fear. If you show fear, they attack you. So maybe I can let them to carry on their own cycle, let them die off by themselves, that I don't have to interrupt their natural cycles. I'm actually quite relieved now. I'll just bear with their existence for another 2-3 months. And after that, when they naturally die, I will remove the nest and get on with my life. And I learned my lesson as well. My lesson is to close our workshops, our pump houses, especially when they are facing to the east, where the sun rises. So that's the story of hornets. Fierce in summer, gone by winter. I decided to leave them alone. Living in the nature is not about, oh, it's so beautiful, but to incorporate our life into it, that living with the rest of the beings without destroying them. That's our purpose should be. So the lessons learned, I'm very happy with the outcome, and see you on the next one. Cheers.